Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making this delicious crunchy chin chin flakes. If this is your first time of coming across my channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment down below. I'm Unique Dijja. Please subscribe to my channel. So here are all the ingredients we are going to be using for this chin chin flakes. It's just a few ingredients, which are flour. I have 3 cups of flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 3/4 cups of water. I have salt and nutmeg, half teaspoon salt, 1/4 spoon of nutmeg, then 1.5 tablespoon of powdered milk and 2 tablespoons of butter. No, 1.5 tablespoon of butter. So here are all the ingredients I'm going to be using. They are just few, it's not much. So let's get into the main business. So I'll be adding all the ingredients together. That is the flour, salt and nutmeg, powdered milk, sugar. Then I'll mix this together very well. So after mixing it, I'll add in the butter. So I'm going to use my hand to rub in the butter. We don't need much butter, just 2 tablespoons of butter is okay for these 3 cups of flour. Remember, we are not making chin chin here, we are making chin chin flakes. So I've rubbed it in. It's time to add in the water. I'm using 3/4 cup. To get 3/4, you measure 1 cup, then remove 1/4 from the 1 cup of water. Then you get your 3/4 cups of water. So I'm going to mix this together until I get a dough. So everything is well combined. I'm going to knead this on my working surface. I'll knead it till it's very soft. So I knead this for like 3 to 4 minutes. And here I'm done kneading. You can see how soft it is now. I'll cover it to rest for 5 minutes before working on it. So I cut it into 3 and I'll be stretching it one by one. So we are going to stretch this until it is very flat, very thin. If it's not thin, after frying it will be very strong, as if you make chin chin. So you have to make it very thin. Stretch it very well. You can see how thin it is. So it's time to cut it out. You can see the way I'm cutting it is wider than the normal cutting of chin chin. So I'll continue the process until I'm done with the 3 dough that I cut. You can see how flat it is. So, and I'm done cutting. It's time to fry. So I've already preheated my oil, and the oil is hot now, so I'll be putting it inside my hot oil to fry. If you have watched to this extent, please hit the like button. If this is your first time of coming across my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell notification to get notified whenever I post a new video. You are going to like it here because here we post video on cake tutorial, how to cover your cake, and a lot of snacks. So you are going to love it here. Kindly subscribe and turn on the bell notification. You can see how the chin chin flakes is coming out. So it's golden brown now. I'll be bringing it out of the hot oil. Then I'll continue the process until I'm done frying the whole chin chin flakes. To our returning subscriber, thank you so much for your support. Thank you for always watching. To our new subscriber, you are welcome to the family. You are welcome to Unique Dijja Space. So, and here we are done with our chin chin flakes. This is so crunchy, very nice. This is a business idea that you can be doing to make money, and this can as well be a snacks for your children. I package this for my kids, and this is the way I pack it. Thank you for watching. I hope you are going to try this out and let me know in the comment section how your own turns out. See you all in my next one. Bye.